That's my man Sam. Sam, say hi.
Hawaiian Ocean View Estates, welcome to the work in progress. Heavy on the work in progress. Potential City.
And here's our babies. We came all the way out here to water once a week. And we've got tea leaves right there. The ones with the red leaves are tea leaves. Got some palms. Inside the bucket, I don't know if you can see, there's some pineapple. They're doing really good. There's a better shot at the pineapple plant. They're doing awesome. Unfortunately, the sandalwood's not doing too great. But the palms are taking off.